right? If you mix different things with water, you get a different output. But if you mix anything with the intestinal fluids, it turns into shit.
Uh, Kavi, tell me one thing. Like this creation
So,
comedy
shit.
has two kind of videos. One, you are giving like pure knowledge, and second type of video which is like literally roasting.
What?
Like Kenjan Kabir and roasting. There are two kind of videos. One really long, one really short. Long one are those who have filled with knowledge. Short one are literally insulting.
I didn't get the two types. Like one are you are in college. What?
And no, I'm saying there's one kind of videos on Kinjan Kabir.
अरे माइक को पास कर.
I'm saying one kind of videos on Kinjan Kabir which are just knowledge,
Hmm.
and one kind of which is literally bakchodi.
Hmm, yeah.
So how do you think a marketing strategy will play that out?
I mean, it just makes sense. It's like people will like us for who we are rather than liking us for what we say, which is what matters.
Like, what do you think about the strategy? Like putting really good stuff, but putting really bad stuff.
Yeah, I think it's cool. I think there's no problem with it. I think what rather matters is that people get an equal dose of both, right? So they won't go to some other place for both the kind of content. They'll just come to us for both of it.
Is it David Dobrik?
I love David Dobrik.
No,
Shut
what
the
is
fuck up.
something like David Dobrik really roasted but really bad stuff?
Like I like David Dobrik, dude. I like KSI more. Like KSI. If you ask me for my favorite YouTuber, it's probably KSI.
KSI. How? If
JJ
I get
Halatunji.
you to meet KSI,
Yeah.
if I get you to meet KSI, will
If you
you?
get what?
If I get you a ticket to meet KSI, if
Yeah.
I get you one, so what can you do for me?
I mean, depends. I mean, dude, like,
It's like okay. Let me clarify. It's like 10 minute talk with KSI, 10 minute gaming session with KSI. 10 minutes.
I won't do it. Like, I really won't do it because, like, it would depend on what you want first.
I will want you to suck my dick.
Need to say, okay, done. Yeah.
I don't want
You just asked for it. I'm getting a ticket to meet KSI for sucking a guy's dick.
I
But
would like
given I do it through glory hole.
I would like really if I do that I will ask you to see all my marketing proposals, read it, give comments for free for the rest of my life.
I will do what?
Like I will give you marketing strategies. You will read it, comment about it, then give that video to me for the entire life.
So I just have to look at the strategy and give my comments on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. For meeting KSI, fuck it. I don't really give a fuck about doing it. Yeah. It's cool. I really don't care. I'm getting to meet KSI for 10 minutes. Well, that's a bad bargain, to be honest. No, I still won't do it. It's just a 10-minute ticket. I won't.
Mm.
It's more like
It's like
an
what's
hour
we
with KSI, then I can think of it. Like, yeah, okay, you're getting 1 hour with KSI. And yeah, for lifetime, fuck no. 5 years still is okay.
what do you think about what do you think about one YouTuber?
Oh no, my favorite YouTuber is Mr. Beast. Yeah. Yeah, of course. It's the Beast, dude.
Like yeah, I do get why would someone would not know their favorite.
It's Mr. Beast. It's Mr. Beast. It's Mr.
I
Beast.
have the opposite side. I have two people like PewDiePie and
Dude,
Linus
just
Tech
get
Tips.
close to your mic, dude. I can't hear you. You're not audible at
I'm
all.
saying I have two big YouTubers that I follow, which is one is Linus Tech Tips, the other is PewDiePie. Like
Dude, you have
I
a mic. Like, don't you have like a stand that extends to your face? Like, just extend it till there, right? Yeah,
I
exactly.
have two client. I have what do you call it? Two favorite YouTubers. One is PewDiePie. One is Linus Tech Tips.
I don't know the second one. I know the first one.
He's a tech YouTuber, just like I just said.
Oh, okay. I don't know tech YouTubers at all. I know none.
Oh, why? Yeah, like that stuff really interests me. Like you are not into tech.
Yeah, I'm not. I'm not into tech. I really, like, to be honest, I really still don't know a lot of things about my own laptop. Like, I still won't know how to navigate a lot of things on my laptop. I really still suck at it. Um, I don't
I'm
know
like
why
really like glad. Like I know like to see you. Like I know you have marketing knowledge, but like yeah, that makes sense.
I suck at tech. In this, because I'm more of a creative person. I was never more of a tech person. So I was always into the creative side of things and the doing side of things rather than the techie and sitting behind the laptop side of things. So um, even in marketing, like I'm more into copywriting and ad structure and thinking of an ad visual idea or like ad ka video idea, like scripting ideas. That's what I'm more into rather than sitting and running Facebook ads. I'd rather not do it. I let
Yeah,
others do it
I
instead of me.
actually saw that. Remember, like when you like messing like I saw you like struggling with Facebook and really didn't like that. You like the creating process, but not the publishing process.
Yeah, I don't like the technical aspects. That's all.
Yeah.
Because like to really like the technical aspects, you have to be a guy who can sit at a laptop for 10 hours a day, right? In the sense like doing something on it. I'm not the guy. I'd rather go out, explore, and I can sit on my laptop 10 hours a day, but I'd rather be consuming content rather than like doing something. Like I just can't. I even like I just don't like sitting at a place and like doing something on my laptop. Like that's just me.
Yeah. One more thing. I'm like so couple of things happened in my life which like give a lot of resources to do a startup.
Hmm.
The startup is for creating a place for Indian investors to go and get knowledge. I know there's a lot of places that exist, but like that's like I have a lot of resources in my hand, and I think I can like do like a small finance blog and like small finance community to get people knowledge.
Yeah, got it. Like I understand finance and numbers, but I'm not a guy who sits on his lap. I just it's not like I can't.
What do you think about like what do you just think about my idea? Like the name is Kinji Money.
Hmm?
Kinji Money.
What's G money?
Kinji Kince my name. Kinji Money.
Kinji money.
Yeah. And
Okay, tell me that's a cryptocurrency and I'm buying it.
no, that will be crypto like Kinji money. No, no, like literally the Kinji currency.
If there's a crypto known as Kinji money, then I'm buying it.
So I have planned Kinji Money. I have planned Kinji Bank. I have planned Kinji Ventures. I have
Okay,
planned
Kinji Bank sounds very bad. Just no, not Kinji Bank. Just not that one.
Kinji Bank. Why does that sound bad? Why does it sound bad?
I don't know. It just does. Why does Dinchak Puja sound bad? It just does. No,
But
it just does.
speaking of Dinchak Puja, what do you think about Dinchak Puja marketing strategy?
There was no marketing strategy. It was a fucking meme that blew up. Dude, you have to understand not everything that goes viral has a marketing strategy behind it. In fact, the things that go the most viral do not have a marketing strategy behind it. They are random.
Yeah, they are.
Like David Dobrik.
That, that David
No, no
Dobrik
offense
knows
to
a
David
lot.
Dobrik. I love David Dobrik, dude. I love him from the depth of my heart.
Would you rather let KSI suck your dick or David Dobrik suck your dick?
David Dobrik, not KSI. I'm not letting that guy suck my dick. I'm just not that guy, dude. Dude, if I want my dick to be alive, I just can't let KSI do it. Like, that was a weird question. Let's just not put it in the video, but
Oh man.
I'm pretty sure David Dobrik would like. David Dobrik is like a very timid guy, right? KSI would go wild if he was gay, right? Like, your dick won't survive it. So I want my dick to survive the end of sex. That blowjob. But like, if David Dobrik would do it, he would do it like very soft. Like, he's a very, he won't go that wild on it. That's what I think.
Yeah, man.
And now I'm thinking which one would be more fun. Like, would the wild one be fun? Would the no, not KSI, not at all. No, fuck no.
Okay, one more question. What like भाई यही हो रहा है I किंजल what is किंजल के Kinj ask question to Kabir. That's Kinji Kabir.
Okay.
I need you to ask me a question now.
I don't know. Who would he let suck your moves?
Who will can you repeat the question?
Who would he let suck your moves?
Moves. What's moves?
KSI or Dhinchak Puja?
Oh, what's moves?
Man boobs. It's actually a term.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Well, that's weird. Okay.
Uh, again, I asked you a question. Like, okay, let me. I respond you. Who will? I said the thing is, Dhinchak Puja.
You let Dhinchak Puja suck your moves.
Because KSI will eat it.
That's weird, dude.
Yeah, I think
Dude,
Dhinchak Puja.
Dhinchak Puja sucking my moves, dude. That would be so weird.
Yeah, I would.
That'd be so weird, dude.
Um, uh,
Um,
uh, ask me a question. Ask me anything.
okay. Belle Delphine.
Okay.
You know, right? Look at
Yeah,
his
yeah,
face.
yeah.
I'm like Belle Delphine. He's like, don't take that name. Not that. I know how this question. How this question's gonna go. No, not. No, this has already taken a weird path. Belle like, okay, this is taken. Okay, this is gonna be a sexual question. It's taken a sexual path.
It was like, oh yeah, I'm going to have
Yeah,
sex.
yeah. I can think of that video. Yeah, that Twitter video.
So, what do you think? What's the delphine have to go
Yeah,
in
what are
it?
your thoughts on Belle Delphine?
First of all, she scams a
What
lot of
about
people on Pornhub.
Belle
You know why?
Delphine's like sex video?
I let me tell you, she scams a lot of people on Pornhub. So she basically have a thumbnail, which means like
She has what? She has what? What did he start with?
so see, she scams people on Pornhub. How she
She
do this?
stabs people on what?
Scams.
Scams people on what?
Pornhub.
Okay. How?
So yeah, I'm telling. So one video in particular says dolphins playing with two cocks, and she
Okay.
had like two cocks in, like in the thumbnail. But when you open the video, it will be like Belle Delphine sitting, and there are two chickens just roaming around.
Dude, that was on Pornhub.
Yes,
But then sue Pornhub. Don't sue Belle Delphine. How hell did they allow the video up there?
Belle Delphine have an official verified Pornhub account.
Wow. And she uploads videos with chickens.
Yeah, and she
How
scams
can she?
people.
Does she not get it? It's Pornhub. It's not. It's not YouTube. I guess ulta chala gaya video. She had to put it on YouTube. She put it on Pornhub.
Oh, speaking of YouTube,
There is
uh,
no. Think about it. She's not posting porn on Pornhub. That's the problem I have. Like it's Pornhub. Post porn. Don't post videos. Which that's my problem. It's called something. It's called Pornhub for a reason, and you're not posting the right content on
ah,
the right side.
speaking of porno, do you know
One side.
Takeshi 69?
Of course.
So he uploaded a video. Did you saw that? The new
On
song?
Pornhub.
No, no, no. Not porno.
How can you be like, speaking of Pornhub, do you know Takeshi 69? There must be some relation, right? How is Pornhub related to Takeshi 69?
Oh yeah, porno is related. Let me tell you why.
Yeah, because he dances with girls and they're
Yeah.
empty. Like, yeah, but no, it's not related. It's not.
Well, have you seen his latest video?
No.
Yeah, if you okay, I am sending you the latest video.
No, no, no. Is it the one in which he's on a yacht?
Zara,
Yeah, I've seen it.
this one.
I've seen it. Don't send it. स्ट्रीम कर दे यार सेंड मत किया अगर डू डिलीटेड फ्रॉम हियर मुझे नहीं चाहिए ये सब अश्लील चीजें यहाँ पे हटा अनसेंड दिस फक शिट
Okay, I will.
अभी
Okay, bro. Okay. Yeah, bro. I am going to do that.
good good yeah so no I like this guy I think he's cool
I thought of it.
he's just I like him a lot Fifi got that but I got that
Can you beatbox?
I can a bit yeah
Let's do some beatbox.
let me think of a song I can beatbox on
Why?
give me a song to beatbox on
uh, lately I've been losing sleep,
okay
dreaming
dreaming about the things that we
we
could
could
be
be.
सही था I don't know if it was
Yeah,
good
yeah, yeah. What do you think about this being my new DP?
it sucks
Mm,
depends on what you want to put in it like what do you want
what?
it to give the vibe of what do you want it to give the vibe of
I think my current DP is the best.
it's not believe me
Oh, I believe you, bro. The amount of if this DP had my eyes open and like my face properly, you would probably seen in multiple news sites actually. Yeah, the reason why because I worked with them and they said they can't put my DP because I don't look good. Like I used to work with a company and that would probably put my DP there. You know, Kavi, tell me one thing. How long have you been into this web entrepreneurship thing, entrepreneurship thing, like services sector, like or digital services and like digital marketing and all? How long have you been into this?
much dude 2 years
Yeah, you know, like the first 2 years I had in digital marketing, and the thing you do, I made zero, literally zero money. You know, but that this moment when I look back, I saw me working but not getting like actual money. That like I got a cure. That's the cure mind that if you want to win a game, just stay in the game for a long time and you will win it. Like that's like true for me. Like the only reason I am here because of it's like because of me playing for a long term. Like I've been into this for this time. I have like some connections over here.
I mean, yeah, it's different for everyone. I've seen people who are very new and making a ton. I've seen people who are not very new and like, so it depends. I mean, I've seen people who are very new and still are making a lot of money. So
How much money do you know how much Shubham Punch is making?
what?
Shubham Punch. How much do you think he's making?
I don't know. I don't know how much he's making though. We don't talk that much.
I thought he was your best friend.
Fuck no.
Who's your best friend?
I have a ton of best friends. Yeah, I didn't want to see that.
You know,
Like anything but flower boxes.
that's why. You know what? Like I do wear flower boxes. So my family used to go into Goa every single year. Like I have been to Goa multiple times on cruise ship, like hostel, sexy things, and
Dude, that's a short video right there. That's a short video.
oh man. You know
What
what?
does Kinj have a fetish for? What does Vishesh has a fetish for?
Oh man. I just want to record like Indian community. The reason why I want to do that, but you are making such a
Dude, you know
awkward
what I
face.
wanna record? Yeah, that's what I wanna record. Me and the mosquito. I'm
Uh,
talking to a mosquito all night. That's it, dude. That's what I do usually. I sit and talk to a mosquito all night. I kill a few of them, but then I talk to one.
lol.
I'm like, आजा bro, तू मेरा दोस्त है.
आ जाओ ब्रो मेरा तो दोस्त है यार तुम्हारा लगता है ये अपना रोहिणी
रोहिणी नहीं भाई मेरे टांगों के बालों में.
किधर
टांगों के बालों में मेरे. Dude, I swear these guys like try to go like they're sitting on top of the hairs and they're like trying to find a way to go in. Like I've seen them do it. Like that. What do you think I do at night? What do you think I do? Like क्या बचता है कॉलेज लाइफ में बनने की जब ऑनलाइन हो कॉलेज यही तो बचता है. अगर तेरे थाई पे झांग पे बैठा हुआ मच्छर को तू देख रहा है अभी अंदर कैसे जाएगा. मच्छर भी ऐसा 5 बार कूद कर एक जगह ढूंढता है जिससे उसको अंदर का रास्ता मिलता है. फिर तू वेट करता है अभी ये मच्छर टच कैसे करेगा. फिर मच्छर ऐसे टच करता है जैसे टचिंग वाला फीलिंग आता है तब तू हटाता है उसको तब भगाता है. अबे बट काटेगा तू साले. रात को 4 बजे 5 बजे तू ये कर रहा है सुबह
you know
के.
what happened is there was a mosquito here right on the board I don't think you can see it so yeah
क्या
over
काम.
here there's a patch a small dot I don't know if you
I
can
can
see
see
it
the dot. I can see the dot. Yeah.
yeah so what happened there was a mosquito here I was like so
Yeah. That
I
is that the blood.
yeah so what happened is I was like okay the mosquito is hola I look there then I look back it was like a drop of blood I was like and now the drop of blood still remains I'm thinking to shift a new office like
एक घर में बैठा रहा. बकचोदी मत कर. ठीक है ना घर में बैठा रहा आराम से शांति करके.
क्यों
अरे बस बैठा रहे क्या बकचोदी करनी.
यार मेरे को
क्यों
यार
पैसे खर्च करने.
ना फ्री का मिल रहा है ना
भाई देख ऑफिस तब लो जब वहां पे सोएगा भी तू और रहेगा भी तू. तब तो ले. ये गांडू बनती नहीं होती अप डाउन करने की हर रोज भाई. वो बकचोदी होती है.
नहीं
या तो ऑफिस तब लो जब तेरी या तो टीम हो. तब तो ऑफिस का मतलब बनता है कि हमारी टीम के साथ जाना. वरना ऑफिस लेने का फायदा नहीं है. मेरी बात मान, मैं सच बता रहा हूँ तेरे को कुछ नहीं चाहिए, तेरे को तो कमरा चाहिए, ऑफिस नहीं चाहिए भाई, कमरा चाहिए, कमरा। कमरे में होना चाहिए एक सोफा कम बेड, ठीक है, या फिर एक वन वाला बेड या डबल बेड भी होगा चलेगा, ठीक है, एक कुर्सी, एक टेबल, और ये तेरा सेटअप पूरा, बस हो गया। कमरा चाहिए भाई तुझे, बेड वो ऑफिस नहीं चाहिए, कमरा चाहिए, कमरा, कमरा
भाई
मांग तू।
अभी मैं तो स्लैब पे कंप्लीट चाहिए।
मैं ऑफिस ले रहा हूँ भाई, मुझे गुस्सा आता है, मुझे ऑफिस वर्ड नहीं अच्छा लगता, ऑफिस में कमरा चाहिए भाई, कमरा। इट्स बेसिकली लाइक प्री सीड फंडिंग, फंडिंग नहीं होती साले, ब्याज होता है वो।
I know, bro. The thing is, I make money.
प्री सीड फंडिंग, फंडिंग नहीं होती, ब्याज होता है वो, ठीक है ना, ब्याज पे पैसा उठाना कहते हैं उसे। मैं तो यही कहता हूँ, तो कहता प्री सीड फंडिंग लिए तेरे भाई ने, प्री सीड में ब्याज पे पैसा उठाना कहते हैं उसे, अपने चाचा से, ठीक है ना, अपने मामा से। मैंने कहा वो
I
महाभारत के टाइम से चल रहा है, बहन के लोड़े, तू नया नहीं है।
uh,
भाई
uh,
प्री सीड उठाई है भाई, प्री सीड का ब्याज लिया तूने, ठीक है, अभी दे रहा होगा कल, इनफॉर्मल लोन कहते हैं उसे, लोड़े।
oh, bro. Nice.
प्री सीड फंडिंग उठाई है हमने।
Hey, but tell me one thing. Why did you give up?
क्या?
Why not give up? I did the best. Why are you here? Like I used to know. If you go a bit back, like Indian Kabir, the first and two first videos, we are active.
क्या?
I'm saying, if you go back to Kinchin Kabir, so you see active. Now you are seeing dead.
Yeah, because it's night and I'm sleepy and I want to sleep.
But at that point, that was not Kabir. What happened? What happened? High
Nothing
chutney,
happened.
high chutney got like realized. Then like it's like a bit of stuff at a good place.
No, dude, everything is क्या होना क्या है, bro? चिल ही तो बैठे हैं। I'm in my chill zone, dude. Like I'm literally in my chill zone. That's all. I'm literally like
Yeah.
मैं आधा लेटा हूँ.
So tell me one thing. Why? What are you learning today? Like today nowadays. What are you learning?
Bitcoin, crypto.
Yeah. So tell me about it.
Just reading news. The best way to learn about industry is to read news about that industry.
Tell me one thing. I'm doing KG money. Do my marketing. Get some equity.
क्या?
I'm doing KG money. The content is done. Like a lot of stuff is done. Help me to market it.
Dude, it's all about use case. तेरे coin का use case क्या है? Because now these coins are
No,
becoming niche
I'm not
specific.
talking about coin. Like Litecoin is a different thing. I'm talking about KG money. The finance blog.
The what?
The blog.
Blog. You want to make a blog, okay?
Yeah, the finance blogs. So I want to
Uh,
make the Indian version of Investopedia folks and TechCrunch.
Nice. So start with like Investopedia का सबसे बड़ा selling point is the virtual वो क्या कहते हैं stock market simulator. Start with that.
I don't think I can start with like that. Will take a lot of time. But like if I'm starting with like content.
Like अगर तू वो कर दे कि मतलब उसमें कुछ नहीं है, उसमें बस बेसिकली है उसके उसके सिमुलेटर में कि लाइक जो भी आएगा, जैसे तू आया, ठीक है ना, तूने जो रियल मार्केट कंडीशंस है,
I
तू
know simulator. I use simulator. I do know how it works. I'm like asking like that's a bit more like what I want to do. That's not the thing I can do it now. The thing I can do is now like is produce content, and that is what I am doing.
प्रोड्यूस कंटेंट लाइक यूज, तेरे को पता है एसईओ, सो यूज लो हैंगिंग कीवर्ड्स एंड मतलब
Yeah,
वगैरह वगैरह, लॉन्ग टेल कीवर्ड्स वगैरह यूज कर एंड वहां से धीरे धीरे रैंक कर.
yeah.
So I mean, if you really want to make content, that's a good way.
You know,
Second, use your
like
blog. अपना blog ले. देख, I'll tell you a few things. Start a finance podcast, ठीक है ना? Talk about the industry.
yeah,
Invite experts,
I can't
right? नाउ
Start with
एक्सपर्ट्स आर
Android.
कमिंग. अब एक्सपर्ट्स आर कमिंग तो उसको अपने उस पे डाल रहा है, यूट्यूब पे डाल रहा है, इंस्टा पे डाल रहा है, अपने स्पॉटिफाई पे डाल रहा है. ठीक है, और तू उसका स्टेरियो का वर्जन भी बना रहा है. राइट, वंस यू हैव अ फॉलोइंग, नॉट राइट नाउ बट
But
स्टेरियो जब फॉलोइंग हो
but
जाए.
what do you think? Like I have a YouTube channel taken. Like I have a guy who will do the YouTube channel. He said all the stuff. Do you think we? I can like shift into podcast. No problem. What do you think? We should start a finance thing. A YouTube channel or a podcast?
Who, you and me? I'm not the
No, 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 no.
greatest at
There's
it.
a other guy.
You should start YouTube पॉडकास्ट यार, मतलब बेसिकली अपना जब पॉडकास्ट बना रहे हो उसकी वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करके यूट्यूब पे डाल लो.
Yeah.
रिपर्पस करना, उसी का तू ब्लॉग बना दे. राइट, वो सिर्फ उसी का मत बना, और भी चीजों का बना, बट उसको भी ब्लॉग में कन्वर्ट कर सकता है. फिर उसकी जो शॉर्ट वीडियोस है वो इंस्टा पे जाएंगी. इन टर्म्स ऑफ रील्स जा सकते हैं, इन टर्म्स ऑफ दो तीन चीजें और जा सकते हैं, तो अलग से भी अपनी रील्स बना सकता है. ठीक है ना, मतलब तुम जिस चीज का ब्लॉग बनाया, जैसे तेरे ब्लॉग में मान लो तेरे ब्लॉग में 5 टिप्स हैं फॉर समथिंग. ठीक है ना, तो तूने 5 में से 3 टिप्स बताई अपनी रील में, और तूने कहा 2 टिप्स के लिए ब्लॉग को एक्सेस करो, लिंक इन बायो. ठीक है ना, तो तेरी वहां से मार्केटिंग हो गई.
That's yeah. Tell me one thing. Yeah, I do like that. I do like that. I will think I will do that. Tell me one thing. How can I beat every other finance podcast? Finance Instagram page. How can you beat them?
You have to become a personal brand rather than becoming a page. Like,
That's what I'm doing. Kinji. Like I want to make Kinj as big as Amazon. That's like the stuff I do. You know, like have you seen that Jeff Bezos working and like with Amazon return? That's me, right? Literally, that's me. I want to
yeah,
fucking, I want to fucking build Kinj as big as Amazon.
got it, man,
At least
got
a trillion
it.
dollars.
Yep, got it.
I will start with Kinji money. I mean, we both out of order. Uh, Kinji money page on what do you call it? Insta, blog, a subscription of Kinji money plus. What do you think? Kinji money plus, Kinji money premium, Kinji money gold.
Plus,
Why do you think that?
premium sounds very cheap. Gold sounds like कि तू scheme बेच रहा. Plus is better because it's like Disney Plus, and Disney Plus is one of the biggest OTT platforms out there. It just
Okay,
sounds better.
Kinji money plus to the waiting. I was thinking of Kinji money gold. Okay, Kinji money plus. Mm. The thing is, I don't know why I chose that, but I will choose that because you said that.
So you know why you chose it, you bitch fuck, because I said it.
No, I don't know why you said it.
I told you why I said it. Premium sounds too cheap.
That's
Uh,
that's nonsense. Actually, that's too nonsense. But I do believe in you that you are right.
it just sounds cheap. It's true, dude. It's just fucking everything is premium. But किसी चीज का like उसका premium ले ले, इसका premium ले ले. It's like an overused word. Gold is already a overused word for gold packages, silver packages. So अभी दोनों इतने overuse हो गए. You need something better. You need plus.
What do you think about Kinji money multiplier? KMM Kinji money multiplier.
That sounds like an economics term which I don't want to study for my next exam.
Oh yeah. Okay, Kinji
Just
money plus.
help it.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, I will not main traffic will be like ads and like yeah. Yeah, you are right. I'm just thinking how to like what I can do. Like, what do you think about every Snapchat of doing that?
Snapchat or what?
Marketing myself on Snapchat. I literally don't know shit about Snapchat. And
I
let
don't
me
know
be
shit
honest.
about Snapchat. I suck at Snapchat. I've never used Snapchat.
Same here. What do you think about WhatsApp? How can I market myself on WhatsApp? I have also already think of it like a newsletter thing. But how do you think I can expand more?
I don't think you need to market on WhatsApp. Why do you want to? Why do you want to market on so many platforms? Just choose one fucking platform and go all in, and from there expand to other platforms. You don't have to go all platforms. You have to go one platform. From there, you have to expand to others. और टू प्लेटफॉर्म्स लाइक तूने ब्लॉग और इंस्टा उठा लिया तो तू इन दोनों को ही करेगा तू इनका एसईओ रैंकिंग करेगा
So it's
और तू
like
अपने इंस्टा पे ट्रैफिक लाएगा और ट्रैफिक को रीडायरेक्ट करेगा ब्लॉग्स पे
current,
तो तेरा
currently structure is this: blog build रहेगा, blog पे ट्रैफिक आएगा, एक यूट्यूब चैनल बिल्ड करेगा, लिटरली ब्लॉग्स को यूट्यूब में डालेगा और उसको
भाई
डंप
तेरा
करेगा.
एक एम होना चाहिए सिर्फ एक को बिल्ड करने का एम होना चाहिए तेरा एंड बाकी जो है वो सब्साइडरी होने चाहिए वहां पे आने के लिए लाइक तेरा एम है तेरा इंस्टा बिल्ड करना so तेरा
My
यूट्यूब शुड बी टू बिल्ड योर इंस्टा तेरा गूगल शुड बी टू बिल्ड योर
my
इंस्टा
see,
एवरीथिंग शुड बी डन टू बिल्ड इंस्टा
my main is to build my blog.
okay then build everything around it कि in the sense कि like ब्लॉग तो देख ब्लॉग से ज्यादा लोग वीडियोस देखते हैं अगर तू आज नेट पर जाएगा देन भाई गूगल वीडियोस देता है ठीक है ना जब तू कुछ भी सर्च करता है हाउ टू सो लाइक पीपल जस्ट प्रेफर वाचिंग अ वीडियो बट देन डिफेंड्स फ्रॉम पर्सन टू पर्सन
Yeah, of course.
so
But I am in the finance field. I'm like
like the best way to do a blog is कि वीडियो कर
video.
एंड देन वीडियो का ही ब्लॉग बना के लिख दे उसको ट्रांसक्राइब कर ले
Yeah, that's what I will do. Other way around. I will write the first blog, then translate to it video. Because like I want.
एग्जैक्टली
So what do you
भाई
think?
डिपेंड्स ऑन तेरी मेहनत ना डिपेंड्स ऑन तेरी मेहनत अगर तू वीडियो करता है तो तेरे को बस उसको ट्रांसक्राइब करना अगर तू ब्लॉग लिखता है तो तेरे को उसकी वीडियो बनानी है सो
See this. Currently, I can make the blog easy. I have like some figures. YouTube channel, there's a guy who will do that. I know that. That's one dot connected. Instagram would be easy. I just have to hire an editor who just like put get content and like replicate it, which will be probably you because I don't want to do that.
मैं सोने जा रहा हूँ फक ऑफ
Uh, Bro, जब तेरे को क्लाइंट लाने की बात होती है फक ऑफ कर देता है यार कैसी बात कर रहे हो यार.
मैं तो लोडू बंदी करता है ठीक है ना
Yeah, man. Lol. What did
तू
you
खुद भी
and what did you in person talked about?
टूड भी ऐसी मस्ती चल रही थी यार उसको एनएफटी समझा रहा था मैं
Oh man, so funny man. Tell me more.
मैं चैतन्य लग रहा हूँ ना
I forgot how Chaitanya looks actually. And now and now I remember.
मैं काम करता हूँ आप लोगों के नेक्स्ट एडमिन इलेक्शन में ऐसे खड़ा हो जाता
Ad election होने ही नहीं.
हूँ जब भी जो भी हो गई बकचोदी मैं ऐसे खड़ा हो जाऊंगा
Tell me one thing. Um, what do will you market me on Instagram if I give you a YouTube channel? Will you market me on YouTube and Instagram? My easy money. Yes, you. Then how much it will cost me?
ad spend plus services
I can't do ad spend.
you can't do ad spend
Yes.
मुंह में ले लो मेरा
Sadhya Ram.
आप दो सबसे ज्यादा सैचुरेटेड प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे ग्रो करना चाहते हो बिना एड स्पेंड के सर आप मुंह में ले लो मेरा
Yeah,
तू
I don't
टिकटॉक
have.
बोलता है मैं मान जाता तू कुछ भी बोलता है मान जो सबसे सैचुरेटेड दुनिया का सबसे सैचुरेटेड प्लेटफॉर्म कह रहा है बिना एड स्पेंड ग्रो कर दो यार आप बिना एड स्पेंड के हम पैसे नहीं देंगे आपको
Yeah,
थोड़े
yeah, you are
मुझे
right.
पैसे मत दे एड स्पेंड दे दे भाई मैं तो यही कहता हूँ पैसे मत दो एड स्पेंड दे दो चलेगा
Let me think. How can I get you ad spend? So yeah, I know pages. Like so, what happened is, you remember? Did I told you about that Instagram client I got? Dharmik?
Hmm. Yeah.
So after that, I got one more client, same stuff, because they saw Dharmic, and like
Hmm.
I've been like talking with them. So yeah, that's like what I have been. I've been getting into finance community, like, and I see like they have fake followers, and like they are running
भाई
ad. My posts are getting running ads.
भाई मार्केटिंग मोटिवेशन वाले से बात कर ले, उसको बोल दो मैं कबीर जुनेजा का दोस्त हूँ, वो तेरे को फाइनेंस वाले पेज से बात करवा देगा, और कुछ नहीं है।
वो कौन है?
उसका फाइनेंस का ही पेज है, मार्केटिंग मोटिवेशन, वो स्टॉक्स वगैरह के बारे में डालता है।
हाँ
उसको
मेरे
बोल
पास
दे मैं कबीर उसको बोल दे मैं कबीर जुनेजा का
हाउ मेनी
दोस्त हूँ, मैं
फॉलोअर्स?
सही है। 60-70 के होंगे।
मेरे पास यार दो सौ के फॉलोअर्स के पास लिटरली उनकी पोस्ट बनाई है मैंने बैठ के भाई। आई एम लाइक अगर मैं उनकी
अब मतलब भाई तेरे को मतलब लाइक अगर कम्युनिटी में बात करनी है तो मैं क्या हूँ, करवा देगा वो, कोई टेंशन नहीं है।
वो मैं like I just what do you think? I should like market myself, like get into like talking with these clients, like talking with these people, or just focus on making blogs and going there.
वो
I can't do both. I can just do like everything or just one thing. What do you
you
think?
have to talk to the community anyways, right? You have to
Anyways,
connect with the community
but if
anyways, so
I
you
do
will
that,
have to.
but if I do that, that takes a lot of time out of my main thing.
No, it
Like
doesn't. It takes 15
like
minutes a day. It takes 15 minutes a day to say, hey, what's up? I
but
really like
like
your page. Would love to connect.
yeah, but like I just have to wait by one week and the blog will be ready. Should I like spend that focus like nothing else? First, let's get just it done, and after that, go to other things.
So, to be honest, एक महीने में तेरे बोर्ड्स हैं।
After both, after both, this is not done before.
आफ्टर वो तो टाइम ही टाइम है, फिर प्रॉब्लम क्या है? फिर दोनों चीजें कर रहे, टाइम ही टाइम है उसके बाद तो।
For college,
कॉलेज अभी थोड़ी शुरू होगा, कॉलेज 4-5 महीने होंगे शुरू होने में। तूने एंट्रेंस देना है नहीं ना?
so मैंने एक एंट्रेंस दिया है, मैंने उसका एक फॉर्म आज ही फिल किया है और अगर मतलब दिया है उसके बाद उसका मेरा क्लियर हो गया वो। तो उसके बाद मैं कॉलेज का अप्लाई किया, वो है आईआईटी में।
कौन सा है?
वही अपना बॉम्बे, बॉम्बे फिर हैदराबाद और फिर एक और है जगतपुर, वहाँ
तेरे
दिया है।
कितने आए जेई में?
जेई नहीं दिया मैंने, यूसेट दिया है, एक और आईआईटी का एक और पेपर का रहता है।
कौन सा पेपर होता है एक और?
यूसेट।
और वो उसमें कितने आए तेरे?
मेरे रैंक या नंबर?
रैंक
रैंक 2000।
कितने में से?
9000।
और नंबर?
मेरे आए 40 आए मेरे। 300 पेपर
40
था।
आए थे?
300 पेपर, 300 का पेपर था।
300 के पेपर में से कितने आए?
40।
और रैंक 2000? हट भोसड़ी के, झूठ बोल रहा है तू।
सच में रिपोर्ट कार्ड भेजू क्या?
हार्ड भरा। ए बा बता भाई, 300 में से तेरे 40 नंबर है, तेरी रैंक 2000 आ गई, तो 9000 वाले
यार
के टट्टी दे रहे थे।
ये आई थिंक सो दैट टच दे रहे थे।
तेरे नीचे 7000 लोगों की मतलब भाई 7-7 नंबर, 5-5 नंबर आए हैं।
हाँ ब्रो थोड़ा।
भेड़ के बड़े पागल साले। और यूसिल नाम का कौन सा पेपर होता है, क्या नाम है इसका?
यूसेट।
स्पेलिंग क्या है?
UCHED।
लिख कर भेज।
यू यू को उल्टा सी। आई एम राइटिंग इट डाउन फॉर यू।
मिल गया यूसेड।
या
डिजाइन का एग्जाम है ये लोड़े।
हाँ हाँ
तो तू आए अच्छा था।
हाँ सॉरी 80 नंबर है, 85 है। आई जस्ट चेक 85 आउट ऑफ 300।
बात बता, डिजाइन का एग्जाम है लोड़े।
हाँ
तो आईआईटी मतलब आईआईटी बोल रहे हैं, मैंने बड़े बड़ा काम कर रहा, गांड भरा पहुंच रही है।
आगे डिजाइन का था ना।
डिजाइन का ही तो एग्जाम है ये।
तो डिजाइन पे ही देख के आया हूँ, और किसका दूंगा?
Dude, my arms are like Mark Ruffalo's.
आई डोंट नो हु दैट गाय इज।
Dude, the Hulk.
Dude, who is Hulk?
तुझे हल्क नहीं पता, मैं तेरी गांड ना मार दूं.
हल्क कौन? ये हर्षना सुना नाम है, क्या है, कौन है हल्क?
You don't know the Hulk.
हल्क यार कौन सा यार, HULK, HULK, हल्क। ओ ये हरा, हाँ जानता हूँ यार, अच्छा हल्क, या हो या
Thank God.
या आगे बैंक के शब्द भूल गया।
Okay, let's just stop. I will stop talking to you if you don't know Marvel.
Oh, of course I know Stan Lee, Iron Man, Captain America, सारे मार्वल के हैं।
Let me just assume you know Marvel, so I keep talking to you. But I'll stop talking to you if you don't know Marvel. So.
Where I know Marvel, I watched Infinity War, I watched Endgame, I watched Iron Man 1, 2, 3, I watched Captain America, I watched Spider Man, I watched what
There are
else?
23 movies
I watched,
and
yeah,
two series. There are 23 movies and two series.
yeah. I got like what do you call it? 85 out of 300.
23.
90, what do you think? I will get in IIT Bombay.
मिल जाए तो बढ़िया है ब्रो, कुछ जा नहीं रहा.
क्यों नहीं जा रहा?
हाँ, मिल जाना चाहिए.
एक 70 सीट है अवेलेबल, और मेरी 2000 रैंक है।
70 सीटों तेरे को देंगे वो पहन के लोड़े. उन्हीं कट ऑफ तो देख. भाई सब कट ऑफ पे डिपेंड करता है.
What is cut off? I seriously don't know what cut off is. I heard that name so many times, but it is still cut off.
क्या?
Cut off क्या होता है?
जिस परसेंटेज पे कॉलेज एडमिशन लेते हैं तुम्हारा.
What's that percentage? How it's calculated? I know nothing about that.
हर कॉलेज का अपना अपना होता है, जितना उनकी मर्जी होती है.
अच्छा, तो
इस
उसका
साल इस साल कितने कॉलेज की फुल परसेंट गई थी कि हमें फुल सारे फुल नंबर चाहिए तभी आएंगे. और क्या भाई, वो कोर्स भी बंद हो गए उसके बाद. चले भी गए बच्चे जिनके 100 आए थे, फुल आए थे वो भी गए बच्चे हैं.
okay. So why do you do this? Why do people have cut off?
भाई डीयू में भी देखा कर, सर्च कर DU 2020 कट ऑफ.
अच्छा, DIT में मैं एडमिशन ले सकता हूँ, अच्छा है क्या? DUT
DTU लोड़े DUT.
सेम थिंग है, सेम थिंग।
हाइट भोसड़ी है.
What
दिल्ली
else?
यूनिवर्सिटी टेक्नोलॉजी.
Delhi Technology University. That's also sounds good.
दिल्ली टेक्नोलॉजी. भाई इतना लोड हो गया दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी टेक्नोलॉजी. लोड़े लोग हो गए
Delhi
तुम.
Technology University. This is the name. Delhi Technology University. Sounds bad. Delhi University Technology. That sounds cool.
चल मैं जा रहा हूँ, गुड नाइट बाय.
Tell me one thing. What's your dream?
अभी आएगा सोकर तब बताऊंगा उठ के. सोने दे, चल बाय.
Good night. Yo guys, thanks for watching. We are Kinjan Kabir.
बैंड के लोड़े चुप हो जा. इतना बैंड का लोड़ा. गांड मराओ सारे और सो जाओ, ठीक है ना. और सोने दो. लोड़ी साला बैंड का कट्टा.
Thanks guys for watching. That was another episode of Kinjan Kabir. We will soon come back with great more episodes. ये मैं ऐसे promo कर रहा हूँ, वो सारे आएगा. But yeah, welcome to the new life. Welcome to new stuff. And GG, I look very bad.